I'm doing the Ice Rack Challenge and I am nominating Louisa Chambers, Alex Hughes and Lila Hughes.
Yeah. Is that you?
And I'm doing it with her.
Oh, really? and who would you like to nominate?
I'm nominating Maddie Rayner, Anna Ellis and Beth Rayner.
All right. So.
And she's Louisa Chambers.
Ah, okay. And what about you, Ed?
I would like to say thank you to Catherine Hughes for nominating myself and Georgie. And I would like to nominate William Nell, Alexis Turrell and Patrick Kelly from Australia.
And you plan this through, you've come equipped?
We have come equipped, and we're ready for it. There you go, there's one.
Actually, since I'm involved, I believe you might have taken a bit of inspirational
we could
help.
do it properly, I suppose.
Yeah. Ah. Oh no, is that your wife?
Okay. Back a bit.
Well done, Mummy.